This baseball player for Team Brazil has a day job as a construction worker? Osvaldo Carvalho is an infielder for Team Brazil in this year's World Baseball Classic qualifiers in Tucson, Arizona. Carvalho says in 2021 he needed money to continue training and playing baseball in Brazil, so he took a job as a construction worker, working on the roads around Sao Paulo. This opportunity has helped him continue to chase his baseball dreams in his home country. When talking about this Brazilian national team, Carvalho said, "If I can make this team, I can do anything I want."